Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Volkswagen Up. This is the 1 litre TSI 90 brake horsepower petrol engine, the by Beats specification, limited edition model, 3 doors finished in pure white with the red mirror caps, and it's covered just 31,000 miles. Let's have a good walk around to this super looking little special edition Volkswagen Up. The by Beats speakers, upgraded sound system, few other bits and bobs as well. 2 owners from new, 31,000 miles, impeccable service history, 6 stamps in the book, right the way through its life. Last serviced in August, just a month ago, along with the MOT, so absolutely ready to rock. 66 plated, so the road tax is just £20 a year. 60 plus miles to the gallon as well, according to Volkswagen. And like I say, this is the slightly higher powered engine, the 1 litre TSI with the little turbo, 90 brake horsepower as opposed to the standard ones, which are 69. So you will see a lot on the market with that lower powered engine. This is the higher powered one, definitely the one to have. Really nice 15-inch alloy wheels. You've got the decals down the sides, low insurance group as well, of course. So the ideal town car, commuter car, first time car. Slightly tinted rear windows. You've got these little Beats symbols, and as you have a look inside, Beats audio as well. So it's a really cool little thing, especially as we have a look at the seats. So you've got some leather, some Alcantara, red stitching, cloth in the middle, in superb condition. It's a really smart looking little car, not your standard Volkswagen Up, this one. So it comes supplied with a remote central locking, does come with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, there's your 2 keys, steering wheel in good shape, normal manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, then you've got your 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt socket, cup holder, some storage down there as well. Now this has the cruise and park pack, so an added option. So you've got your cruise control, very rare, parking sensors on the rear, and then over to the infotainment. So this is your standard system, so you've got your phone holder at the top, then you've got your air conditioning, DAB digital radio, and it's also got Bluetooth as well as an auxiliary input. Really cool dashboard with this finish, and again the Beats audio on the top. Handbook's all in the glove box. 3-door model, so of course the seat folds down to get into the back. Lovely and tidy again in the rear. It's got the ISO fix for the child seats, floor mats which run throughout. And I must say, this is an extremely tidy example. Parking sensors across the rear, and then into the load space. Parcel shelf all intact. Split folding rear seats. Then you've got this super little twin layered boot. So good size. Then you can take this out to give you a really, really good sized boot underneath. And underneath again, just keeps going, doesn't it? Locking wheel nut key and all your other bits and bobs. So there we go, 2016 on a 66 plate Volkswagen Up by Beats TSI petrol, 31,000 miles from 2 owners with a comprehensive service history. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with an MOT until August of next year. Just been serviced, comes with 2 remote keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, For any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always very popular. I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks for watching.